Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today we are doing Quarter Wednesday. I apologize for the sound in the background. I have my washer going, and I didn't think about that until I started doing this, and I have done so many videos today, I don't want to redo it, so sorry, not sorry, I guess. This is like a new thingy for me. I'm just trying to get some stuff into my channels that I can do batch filming for, and so I decided to do one, especially since I'm also very low on money, so all I have really to work with are quarters, and I also have mini Tuesdays, or tiny Tuesdays, or 20 Tuesdays, or something like that, where I work $20 for minis and stuff, and some happy planners on Monday. And those are all pretty much batch filming now, so I can, trying to get as much as I can done so I can get some other stuff done on some of my other channels as well, so whatever I can, I will. And also, once I start getting paid again, I have been out for longer than I really planned on. Hopefully by the end of this month I can at least get some sort of paycheck through my training and stuff, and get a route and all that fun stuff. But it's going to be really skimpy until New Year's, so let's do get some saving, at least get some sort of savings done. That is the plan. Even if you have to use quarters, sometimes, hey, it still adds up. My plan is to do these for every Wednesday, Quarter Wednesdays. I have about $20 worth of quarters, and I'm going to be putting him all into my Oogie Boogie. And then when it gets big enough or heavy enough, I will take the quarters out and change them out for bigger bills, and then add them in there, and then continue putting the quarters on top of them, and then doing it again. And I'll probably I might just have an envelope that I'll do the Quarter Wednesdays, and then use it and save it for like a year, and just see how much I can do and put into savings. But that is the plan, and let's get started. I already did put $14 in here. I will, next time I do this, I will also put another $14, but I'll probably wait until my next. I'm doing Uber Eats right now, so when I get some money from them, I'll put some of that money towards this. But for now, I'm just gonna put 14 in. I should have split it up and just do like $7 for each week or something like that. But hey, whatever I can. I've been doing Uber for about 3 weeks. I've made $300. Because when I only have Uber, I don't have any other a dash or anything like that. So, well, 300 is better than nothing. But I was hoping at least get enough to pay for the car and some of the insurance. But at least I'll be able to pay for my phone bill and some of the other insurance. I'll probably do some more dashing as well, but not dashing, but Uber as well, to try to get a little bit more money. But I've been kind of doing it in between, because I'll sit at home and do cleaning and editing and filming and other stuff while I have the thing just running. And I might get 3 or 4 things through Uber. They're not as big down in this area. It's kind of out in the boonies. One of these days I might just have to go up to big city up there in Salt Lake and turn it on and see if I can get some more money that way. The other thing is, if I actually do going up to the airport or some of these other things, and actually driving people home. But I have a tiny little car, and so it might be harder to fit multiple people in. I could do one person, but that's about all. It might be a 4-door vehicle, but it's an Echo Sport. Those things are tiny. So anyways, let's go. I have my 500 subs. Each of these will be worth $25. I'm going to wait till I get my first paycheck to start doing that. But it should equal up to 500. So let's get started with this one. This one is Becca Budgets 777. They're the 1000 collab with Budget with Tiffany, Bookish Mama Budgets, and Elaine Realized. And what I did was basically just glued it down, and then since it had all these little lines and stuff, I just drew some other lines through it. Actually used some, my neighbor and friend went and got me some paints and stuff, and so each of these little things will be a quarter, will actually be a roll of the dice type of thing, and then I'll do it twice and see each space will be worth whatever I roll. And I'll use the 6-sided dice, and I'll do at least 2 each time, and then we'll see what the design looks like when it's done. Might add some sparkles. So the first one will be worth 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3. And the next one will be worth 1, so $1. And then we'll do 2 of these. Paint these nice and pretty. I love these little paint brushes. These are like some of my favorite types of ones. Some of these are kind of running low, but we'll see. Any, mini, miny, mo. He's thinking about his stuff. If he does, make him pay. Blue. And let's do red. We'll do one from each side. Let's see. And we'll do a small one here. And I'll do a big one. And we'll do a big. You can always do this with like a paint by numbers. Make your own little paint by numbers one. And then just have a blank one or something like that. And then each one that you paint in, or having the color as a certain number. And do a quarter one like that and do a paint by number one. See if you have any ones that don't have a whole lot of colors in it. Or you could, and then we can have up like 12 quarters or something like that. Or just do your own something like this. It was just simple. Actually, when they're all filled in with different colors, they actually look really cool. I had one that I'd done before, and I did a different color each time, and it actually turned out really cool looking. So yeah, you can make a challenge out of dang near anything. I figure since this is kind of 80s style, I'd make it as gaudy as I could. And then at the very last, I can always do them and add some more quarters. Let's get this one. Push it back a little bit. And we'll have this one, which is, where's my dice? Where's my dice? Where's my dice? We will start at the, oh, I think I started up here. But each one we roll, we'll put that one in. If we land on one that's already been crossed off, we will add 1 quarter and then roll again until we get them all. 1 and 2. So that is 3 of them. And we'll just do 2 of them. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Another 3. So that's $1.50. $1.50. Put him in the Oogie Boogie. And this is actually a picture book for a photo. This is actually a photo of an album that I had laying around. For Carnival, actually, I got this as a freebie for Carnival. And I just took some of my happy stickers and put some stuff on there. Okay, we did this one. Let's do this one. Oh, did I say? Okay, this was the same Road to 1000 collab. Elaine realized budget with Tiffany 26, Becca budget 777, Bookish Mama budgets. To make sure I put all those in there. And total saved. Okay, where's my thingy? Let's see. Whoops. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, landed on 1. So let's put $1 and roll again. 1. That was my roll again, so let's do this again. Ooh, glad that wasn't a 1, because that's a roll 20. All right, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, by the end of this, I could end up just in like quarter. Might change it by then. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So it's a $1 on there. Yeah, 1 and 3. Okay. Yeah, I might have missed one. Or, no. Yeah. That was the last time. So this was actually when I was counting. 1, 2, 3. It would have been there. Oh, well, I'll do that next time. All right. Anywho. Well, it ends up in the same place, right? All right. Journey to 500 with Jessie G. Stuffin 523. I might be saying her name wrong. Jessie. Jessie G. Jessie G. Stuffin? I guess that's right. Alright, start. I think I actually did it twice, and then I did my D12 or D20 just to see if I can get out. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, got 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 plus 2. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And one more time. Oh, 1. 1 times 2. So we're going to roll this, and then we're going to times it by 2. 4, 8. Oh my goodness. 1, 2. Whoop, that's nickel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was in the jar. I'm counting it. Should I do a roll 20 and see how far I can get? I might regret this. Oh my goodness. I might have to get another $10 quarters here soon. Why not? Why not? Get the big one. I never get a chance to use the big ones because I don't have like $20 to spend, so quarters is good. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 1 quarter. Woohoo! And let's see if we make it out. 17. 1, 2, 3. We made it out. Alright. We'll call that 2 quarters. Alright. Oh, I need... What do we have here? Let's see. I think there's 12 altogether, so I'll get my 12-sided dice. Straighten out. All of these, I think there's 12 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I think I counted the other one as 12. Well, I'll count that anyways. If I land on that, I'll just put a quarter on down. And a 6. Alright, let's see. And we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is with Elaine realized Becca budgets, budget with Tiffany, and Bookish Mama budgets, because I have the same thing every time. I need to get some more collabs. So if you have any collabs, or you're doing a collab, or you know someone's doing a collab that I don't already have a collab for, go and send me their stuff. 1. I'm gonna do 2 of these, so. And 2, 1, 2. I should just do 1 and then 1 and 2. You know, I'm gonna do 3 of them. 3. So there's 1. Second roll was 2, and the third roll was 3. So I can consider that. That way I know. And we'll just do the rolls with whatever they got. Because I was still in the mindset as the other one. Good enough. Oh my goodness. So we got 3 of that. I will consider that complete. Because that's what I did last time. I just rolled and then I rolled the dice to see what I got. That's what I did last time. I will remember. No, I won't. I probably won't. I'm going to pretend I will remember. So if I come back and have new rolls next time, that might be why. Alrighty. All that good? And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I will see you next time. And I still can't believe I'm still getting these things in 15 minutes. I think I would have been able to do it faster, but apparently I just like to do too much. Anyways, I will see you next time. I love y'all. Bye.